Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like. In this car, Mini Cooper from 2008, 9, 10, 11, 12 with the CAS module. The CAS is located behind the dashboard. If you notice here, this is the CAS module. It's sitting here. That means if you want to take it out, you have to take the dashboard part, the top dashboard part outside. And the reason when it's go bad for any reason, but the most reason, a lot of time that this CAS module, CAS 3 Plus go bad, because of the starter. When the starter go bad, the resistance in the starter is so high that it's burning the relay and the circuit that inside the starter, inside the CAS module. And you have to take everything out. You change the starter first, you come back, the car doesn't want to crank, and finally you find that inside is burned. Why? Because the resistor in the starter create is so high. And this is always happen when the first time you hear the starter want to start, then it fail 2-3 times, or you're gonna hear like kick, 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 then the car start. This is gonna heat up the circuit and it go bad and damage that module. And that module, to take it out and to fix it is kind of really bad and crazy. So please maintain your car on all Mini Cooper. When you have long cranking or you have click, click, click before it start, please try to click noise before it start. Try to replace that starter. It may save you time and money and all this crazy stuff. This is for Mini Cooper. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like, and see you in another video. This is Muhammad Harun Idris.